How to unrestrict someone on Facebook Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to unrestrict someone on Facebook Messenger step by step. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Messenger app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the three dash icon, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the menu section, just tap on settings. And here inside the settings, you simply have to scroll down and tap on privacy and safety. And now here, once you are in this section, simply scroll down and tap on restricted accounts. And now here in this section, you'll see list of all the accounts that you have restricted before. So from here, simply select the account that you want to unrestrict. And now here in this section, just tap on continue. And after that, you have to simply tap on unrestrict and confirm it. And after that, you have successfully unrestricted someone on Facebook. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.